Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Up with Annie, the place where we make English simple, confident, and natural. Now, tell me honestly, have you ever hesitated to speak English because you couldn't find a fancy word? Like you wanted to say something, but you thought, मुझे ना advanced vocabulary नहीं पता इसके लिए, तो इससे better है कि मैं ना ही बोलूं, चुप रह जाती हूँ. See, here's the truth: you don't need big words to sound fluent. You need the right rhythm, you need the right tone and clarity. So today I'll show you how to sound fluent without using fancy words. Remember, fluency जो है ना, it is not about how difficult words आप use कर रहे हो. कितने easily आपके thoughts flow करते हैं. It's about that, fluency. Let's take an example. Someone says, I'm utterly exhausted due to the extensive professional commitments. And on the other hand, the other person says, I'm really tired, I've been working a lot lately. Which one sounds natural? किसी में भी fluency की कमी नहीं है, but the second one sounds very natural. Fluency means comfort, not complexity. So fluent speakers हमेशा common words use करेंगे confidently. Intonation बहुत जरूरी है, pauses बहुत जरूरी हैं. That is the real secret. अब एक छोटा सा टिप देती हूँ मैं आपको, स्पेशली इफ यू फील दैट मेरी ग्रामर सब कुछ ठीक है, मुझे पता है कि कौन से रूल्स कहाँ यूज होते हैं, लेकिन मेरा वो फ्लुएंसी नहीं आता, मैं बोल नहीं पाती अच्छे से. आई हैव experienced this, that some of the users, some of the speakers, they stress at the end of every word. जैसे कि यही वाला एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, आई एम रियली टायर्ड, आई हैव बीन वर्किंग अ लॉट लेटली. इसको सेम ग्रामर में कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं, आई एम really tired. I've been working a lot lately. Now you see what happens here. Excessive stress डालना towards the end of every word. I am म की जरूरत नहीं है, really उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, tired. Try and lessen that stress. I am really tired. I've been working a lot lately. आप इस चीज को प्रैक्टिस करो. अगर आप में लगता है आपको कि ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, trust me, you will improve a lot. एक हफ्ते में you will see the kind of fluency that you're looking for. ठीक है. दूसरी बात आती है speak in thought groups. मतलब here's one of my favorite fluency tricks. Speak in thought groups. So instead of trying to speak one long, perfect sentence, break your speech into small, meaningful chunks. लंबा जरूरी नहीं है. So don't say it, even एक लंबे sentence को एक ही breath में नहीं बोलना है. I wanted to share my opinion because it's really important to me. It doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound confident. Always break it down. I wanted to share my opinion. Pause. Because it's really important to me. स्ट्रेस कहाँ देना है, पॉज कहाँ देना है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. सो व्हेन यू स्पीक इन थॉट ग्रुप्स, योर लिसनर अंडरस्टैंड्स बेटर and you sound more fluent, even if your words are simple. Doesn't matter. Third is you need to master some simple connectors. So fluency often depends on how you connect your ideas. कुछ magic connectors हैं जो हम everyday language में use करते हैं, जैसे कि actually, I mean, the thing is. So what I'm saying is, let's try one. So instead of saying that I'm not good at presentations, you can say, actually, I get a little nervous when I speak in front of people, but I'm working on it. You see the difference? It sounds natural, it sounds friendly, and it sounds fluent without any fancy words. Okay? And I have a group of students who are preparing for interviews. Now, many of them don't come because this is the problem. They feel hesitant in front of the camera. They feel hesitant speaking in English. Many of them have gotten rid of that and have improved exponentially because they are trying. If you don't try, it will not happen. Okay? Now, fourth is replace big words with natural ones. You don't need to say utilize. You can say use, endeavor. Just say try. I want to commence. Just say I want to start. So fluency is clarity with confidence. Even native speakers use short, simple words in daily conversations. पहले डेली कॉन्वर्सेशंस पे तो हम मास्टरी हासिल करें, देन वी कैन थिंक अबाउट बिल्डिंग आवर वोकैबुलरी. So stop chasing the dictionary for huge words. Start building real flow first. So here's the formula that I give my students: speak plus simplify plus smile. Speak every day, short sentences, not perfect ones. Perfect हो जाए तो nothing better. Simplify your thoughts. Don't translate from mother tongue. Just say it your way and smile. जो टेंशन हमारे दिमाग में बिल्ड हो जाती है ना बोलते टाइम, इट कॉन्स्टेंटली रिलैक्सेस योर वॉइस एंड इट बिल्ड्स द कनेक्शन विद द अदर पर्सन. सो रिमेंबर, कॉन्फिडेंस बीट्स vocabulary every single time. So next time you are trying to speak, don't worry about big words. Clear, focus होना चाहिए. Focus on clear ideas, natural pauses and confident tone. Okay? If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who feels nervous while speaking, and of course, subscribe to Lit Up with Annie. Thank you. See you in the next one.